Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my monthly results for My Legion Secret. I hope this video is helpful for you. It gives you some hints whether this traffic source is worth it or not for you. There are lots of questions, there are lots of queries that I see online with relation to My Legion Secret. So I hope this video covers everything and you can always follow me and my entire journey on this channel. So let's hop into my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen and I'm going to jump into it because I have a lot to cover in this video and I wanted to make a good update for you. First and foremost, let me introduce to you guys what is My Legion Secret and why I got started in the first place. So first and foremost, My Legion Secret is an advertising platform that basically gives you email leads that you can email once every 24 hours. Okay, what this means is that their product is they're giving you 100 leads every day, 100 to 200 leads every single day. The moment you get 200 leads is when you refer at least one person to the platform, but otherwise you will get 100 leads every single day, and you can use those leads basically to send emails out to them with your affiliate offers and products. So I use My Legion Secret as a catalyst for myself in my entire strategy and everything that I'm doing. This means that I wake up every single morning and I send out an email with My Legion Secret, and I just keep doing this, and I've been doing it for the last almost 2 years with the platform itself. All my documentation, results, and everything are in the playlist in the description below, so you can always check that out if you want to. But that's what they're offering. They're not guaranteeing you any sales. They're not guaranteeing you any conversions. They're not guaranteeing you anything besides the fact that they're giving you those 100 to 200 leads every day. Now, what kind of leads are these? These are co-registration leads. In my opinion, they're not the best leads, but they're not the worst leads as well. If you ask myself the question, do they convert or not? Well, showing you these results on a monthly basis will tell you whether that they are converting, at least for me. And the priorities that I see with these leads are there in the make money online niche, or the wealth niche as you can call it. And that being said, offers which are related to training or in this area of wealth do convert well. Every offer has never converted for me, but I can see that softwares take a little bit more time. You have to build more trust, you have to build more credibility with your leads, and then they obviously will get into it. Or you can have offers that are available, and I personally use 2 affiliate networks, Warrior Plus and ClickBank, both, to be able to do this. Okay, so this is what My Legion Secret is. How much does it cost you? It costs you $60 the first month, and then it costs you $30 every single month after that to maintain this service. Remember, it's a service. Okay, what I like to say with My Legion Secret specifically is that a lot of people always complain and say, oh, it's not really good traffic and stuff like that. Well, I have a contradiction right over here, because I am getting conversions for the last 2 years, and I'm getting conversion every single week at least. Okay, minimum I'm getting once a week conversions, but I'm getting actually almost every single day conversions. Why? Because at the end of the day, the conversions is not related to the leads. It's related to how you are marketing with that platform. Let's say, I'm giving another example. Let's say you're using traffic exchanges. Your aim for a traffic exchange is to get leads onto your email list. That being said, once you do get leads onto your email list, the next step of that traffic exchange is to convert your leads that you have on your email list to sales. So these are 2 steps. However, here you already have the leads and you're sending out an email. So your aim is just to convert those emails into sales. And that is related to marketing in itself. I don't believe that you can just copy paste, offers and copy paste things. Yes, people are getting sales with that. But if you do it in the masses, in my opinion, it's a hit and miss. However, if you're improving your skill set of email marketing, this has a larger impact in my case, at least. Okay, I'm only talking from my personal experience, guys, nothing else. So that is what My Legion Secret is. That is how much it costs. I personally have 2 My Legion Secret accounts. I basically use 1 My Legion Secret account specifically for Warrior Plus and all my offers on Warrior Plus. I did that for over a year, and now recently in September I opened a new account which is all dedicated to ClickBank and other recurring offers that I have. It's not just ClickBank. I do, for example, use System.io, so I promote System.io also using My Legion Secret as an extra tool that somebody would like. And these are things that I'm testing out, basically recurring offers for one account and one-time offers for the other account, just how I'm functioning. So in today's video, I'm going to go through this entire summary and show you all my earnings. I do also promote My Legion Secret to itself, let's say as an offer, as a service. So I have those, instead of 100 leads, I get those bonus 200 leads. And you can see right here, if you do act, you get basically a bonus 200 leads. I'm not sure if it's shown here, but yes, you do get bonus 200 leads if you refer at least one person to My Legion Secret. So I didn't wait to go and look out there I made sure that I have a link to get signed up to my Legion Secrets within also my emails every single day. So if they click on my picture, for example, they can sign up for my Legion Secrets. It takes them to this page and they can join. So that's just my method, which allows me to create also a recurring income within my Legion Secret itself. So I pay $30 every single month. You guys will see now whether I cover my costs or not. Let's go through that in a second. So let me log into my Legion Secret. I'll start off with my Legion Secret first. All right, guys, here I am logged into my Legion Secret. And as you can see, I have 200 leads here. If you guys want to see how many leads I have totally, you will be able to see it right here. I have now over a year of getting 200 leads, and I have about 115,000 leads. So that's a nice number. I will show you my statistics so that you guys can see I'm pretty much mailing every single day to 9,000 people. It's just what I do. And why 9,000 people only if I have 115,000? Well, this I've explained in other videos, so you guys can check those other videos out. But now we'll go to affiliates, and as you can see, I have a downline of 12 members active, okay, for the last month, and I also have 25 affiliates, which basically means they're inactive, they're not paying, but they can, if they refer to somebody else, they will also get a referral related to that, but they're not paying for the service itself. So upgraded members are people who are paying for the service. Affiliates are those who are not paying for the service. As simple as that. So I have 12 active members, and I try to keep it above 10 active members always, but I'm trying to also get this to 20 as a number so that it is a pretty stable amount that I'm getting in the whole process, right? Because that would be around 100, if I'm not mistaken, around 20 would be around $100 per month just on these accounts. So I'm going to try to get this one account to cover both. That's personally my aim, and hopefully I get that. So let's go into the commissions and see how much I earned for the month of September. Okay, guys, I'm here, and before I go ahead and share with you exactly how much I've earned for the month of September, I do want to say these results are not typical. I do put in the work every single day. I do put in the action, and if you are interested to see how I personally do is in the description of this video, there's a course to Affiliate Marketing Essentials, which is basically my course that I share this strategy. And I also share with you how to improve your skill sets as an affiliate marketer and email marketer. So that's in the description if you're interested. Yeah, as I said, results are not typical. These results will vary from person to person. You might not make any results, okay? I am taking the work and action to be able to get these results. So in the month of in the month of September, I basically got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's already $45 there, right? $48 here, and there's $48 here and another 5, so that's $53. Okay, now I have everything summarized here in the post, so you can see I got $53 from MLGS commissions itself. Okay, so that's all for the month of September. You can see I'm shooting this in October, and I've already got 4 payments in October, so that's another, you know, $20 that's already come in for this month. But as you can see, that's my statistics for my Legion Secrets. Now I'll go through the summary right here. I'm just going to show you each and every section so that you can have a clear idea. So that's my Legion Secrets, $53 there. So here I am, guys, logged in to my account, my Warrior Plus account. Warrior Plus is basically an affiliate network that I use, and this account that you can see right here, I basically send to Warrior Plus offers. Okay, I basically send to Warrior Plus offers, and we'll see last month. We'll go to transactions. We'll see the entire month of September. Okay, and we will go and just put MLGS because that is what we want to look at only, right? Sales for MLGS. So you can see right here is $392.34, which I earned. From there, I made 19 sales in the last month, so not every single day. Last month was a little bit slower, as you can see, in terms of the number of sales, but still 19 sales came in the last month. Okay, so this number is 392.34. Now, if we will go to ClickBank as well, I will log into ClickBank and show you exactly how that is. But I want to say that this is related to just this one account, okay? The other account I started in September. So all ClickBank sales that you can see right here, I'm going to show you, are all going to be in September, and you will be able to see how much I've earned basically in September. So let's log into my ClickBank. All right, guys, I'm logged into my ClickBank account, and we will just put the whole month of September so we can clearly see. And as you can see, in the whole month of September, I made $91.21 just from ClickBank itself. And right, I use only MLGS to promote ClickBank, guys. I don't use anything else. But just to show you that also my second account is converting, I'm going to open the old ClickBank. This is the new page itself, and I'm going to go to, I think the best would be to go to reporting right here, and then go to transactions right here. And within transactions, let me just go to the whole month of September, so that we're looking at only September. Let's go. And as you can see right here, I made already sales from MLGS2. If you see right here, MLGS2, it basically means it is from my second account, okay? So this is a month of September. I opened a new account literally in September. And in September itself, I made 1 sale, 2 sales, and 3 sales, I believe 3 sales just from this one account, okay? So from one account, I made 3 sales. I only, in the first month, usually you need the leads to take time to get to know you, like you, and trust you. So that's why it takes some time. Just give me a second. So already, as you can see just starting a new account, you can, if you take the time to mature and know what your leads want. I personally know how to email my leads because of my last account. I had the practice. If you don't, it's going to take you some time. I always say the first year is your trial. It's not about the first month, the second month, the third month. I would say the entire first year is where you should be trying out different things to find your voice as an email marketer, to make sure that you are sending out to the right people, and so on and so forth. So this is why I personally recommend this. Okay, so you can see right here. So that's another $91 and $91, yeah, and 25 cents. So let's just sum it up. I have it here on the Facebook group. And guys, by the way, if you do decide to join My Legion Secret, the link is in the description. And I forgot to mention, if you like how I'm sharing with you transparently my monthly results, hit that subscribe button. I will appreciate it. Add a comment because I would also appreciate it. And I will definitely reply to you. And, let's go on further together. So let's look at my total earnings. Basically, it's been 392 plus 53 plus 91. This is what it is. So the total amount minus the membership, by the way, the membership that I spend on My Legion Secrets. Now I have 2 accounts. So what am I spending on? I'm basically spending $60 a month. Okay, so that minus the membership basically gives me a total of $476 in profit. That is what I'm getting after my costs for those 2 accounts. Question here is, this is going to get better over time for sure, because now I have 2 accounts. Before I was just functioning with 1. Now I have 2 accounts. I believe that's just going to get better over time. Obviously, I'm going to share with you guys the results every single month. So let me know what you think. If anybody's telling you that this is not converting, I beg to differ, just because I have the results. But again, these results are my own. They're the own efforts as a marketer. And I believe that you should always be learning the skill sets to help you pave the way for your dreams to come true, specifically with marketing. So that's the monthly results for the month of September with My Legion Secrets. Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing a lot other information on this channel, specifically to affiliate marketing. And I hope to see you guys there. See you on the next video.